this month. So, yay, lots going on. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with a piece of mint macaron. This is our card base. I'm going to do an inside, so we'll set that aside and we'll work on that a little bit later. So I want to focus kind of on the designer papers. So this one, the little presents came out of this big sheet, which I love. It's got so much foil in there, and this just makes me happy. The back side is kind of a dark mossy meadow with little pink dots. Very cute. It's kind of like a little pine bough pattern, but it's very tone on tone, so it's very subtle. And then this sheet, which I really wasn't sure what to do with that, so I'm gonna do a Christmas tree. Very shiny. And then on the back, it's mossy meadow with white polka dots. So I used this is the stamp set, Whimsical Trees, and then our dies are called Christmas tree dies. So I used kind of the tall one with all the fun edges to die cut a tree out of that diagonal stripe paper. And I didn't want to just use it plain, so we are going to do a little bit of coloring with our blending brushes. Whoops. I was playing with blending brushes yesterday for my team meeting, and so I thought I'd use them today. I don't use them on projects very often. So this is mint macaroon ink, and I'm going to color a tree. I kind of start off the edge and start lightly, and you go in circles. And I'm not doing a really dark one, a really dark tree, so I don't want a whole lot of dark color, but enough. So you want to do the brushes in a circular motion. That's going to give you the most even look. I probably should have done the whole paper before I die cut it, because it's kind of hard to hold on to. And now I'm bending it. That's not good. Okay. We're just gonna call that done, since I seem to be having a problem with that. Okay. I'm gonna bend those back a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna use polished pink. This is one of the colors, one of the pinks in the set. All right, see how that kind of makes that round circle? That's why I kind of dab it off, because I don't want that. So I am going to just do a little bit of blending on my white. And I know it looks a little weird now. You'll get it when I put the card together. Okay. All right, that I think is enough. Maybe just going up a tad more. There's very little ink on there, so I just want a very soft glow around the edges. All right. I'm going to stamp a sentiment. We're going to use the Mossy Meadow for that. I like to do my sentiments fairly dark. I always do my practice. This is what the paper's for, is practice. We're just gonna go for it. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp my inside sentiment. That says, "May the love of the season warm your heart, warm your home, and fill your heart." Whoops, almost did that one upside down. Wishing you Christmas cheer and magical moments that last all year. All right. I think I am done with my stamping, so we're going to do some assembly now. Let's put this on the inside. Okay. I love designer paper, I'm telling you. Any set that has beautiful designer paper, I am right there. It must be mine. Okay. All right, let's glue this to our card front. Right there, and all the measurements and supplies will be posted on my blog later. So we're gonna put our Christmas tree right here, so we have that pretty pink glow behind it. And as I'm looking, I have more glow on the right. Let's add just a little more color to it over on the left. Let's bring that out just a little bit. Yes, perfect. Perfect. We can always add more. Can't take away though. All right. So I think, let's see, I cut out 5 packages. I don't know if I'm gonna need all of those. So I think what I'll do is maybe put this package, I'm gonna glue this one down over here. I'm gonna let it come off my paper a little bit too. Just for giggles. Why not? And let's do some dimensionals on our tree. Look at my poor dimensionals. I even started cutting them off before I was finished. Okay, this is a long and fairly lightweight paper. So I'm putting a few more than I normally would because I'm pretty stingy. I don't know about you, I am stingy with my dimensionals. All right, let's place what we want to do. That's what I'm going to do. Let's put this, we'll glue this down. I'm putting them some glued down and then some popped up because I want to add a little bit of dimension to my tree. But this one's going to be the same level of the tree. So I'm going to pop up this end and put a little glue on that end. I think like this, kind of overlapping. And which one? I'm going to do the pink. We're going to save that. That's kind of a crumb cake color. I'm going to save that one for later. And these are so easy to cut out because they're you know, square. They have straight edges. So, you know, I'm not big on cutting, but this one is great for cutting. All right, so we are going to add some embellishments. We're actually going to mix our embellishments. I'm using the Shaker Shapes, and they have these cute little hearts, which go perfectly with all of our pretty pink papers. And this says, and fill your heart. So anytime we have a heart, in our sentiment, we can absolutely add a heart to our card. Let's pick this up. It keeps falling over. Here we go. Oh, I shouldn't have touched it. My bad. That's what happens. You should have touched it and then moved it with this. There we go. All right. I love these things. I love all the little stars and the little dots. So cute. But now, next I want to add some of our in-color jewels. And I have just enough pink ones to finish up. I'm gonna add, I think these are so pretty. Whoops, what happened? Where did it go? Right there. I don't know. They're disappearing. I don't know why. I don't know why. Let's pick that back up and put it back. Let's do another small one. Maybe right here. Another big one here. Small and small. We'll do this last big one here. Boy, I'm out of pink. It's time to order another pack. Okay, I think that's it. Isn't that cute? Cute and sparkly. It didn't take long at all. So, hope you like this. In the description below the video, I will put supplies, measurements, links, all that good stuff. All right, I will see you back here on Saturday morning. Thanks so much, everybody, and have a good day. Bye-bye.